GLUE, stock analysis, price predictions, news. In this 1-minute video, I will show you how I will trade and analyze this stock ticker. And I'm the only guy in this world that's done 47,000 videos over 5 years and actually documented them all. Especially where I'm sitting with Monte Rosa Therapeutics. I'm looking to just buy, right? Because yeah, the price pumped. But am I just gonna randomly place a trade here? Well, absolutely freaking not. So how are things going to be looking like? Well, it's actually quite simple. Pre-market is quite a bit low. Here's also my demand zone. The one thing that I'll care most about is it actually pulling down and giving me a shift from there. Right? If I don't see this double break, then who cares? I'm not buying. But I'll definitely keep you updated. So that's glue. It's obviously not financial advice, therefore while I'm waiting for rules. If you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. And I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. See you in the next one. Cheers.